I'm making a video of this conversation because it is impossible to laugh while upside down. And I can feel the blood rushing to my head.
That's not good. I tried.
I'm dizzy.
I tried.
Here, hold this.
Here you go.
Oh.
You look so dead.
I know what?
To the world. Did you just swallow hair? You look like one of those, like, you should see your hair on top of your head. It looks so funny looking. It's like...
I love how they're just, like, focused on me. Okay.
Like,
Hello, and I'm Crystal Dunn, and this is
Bethany Harris.
And
Serious.
we are the future generation of the world.
Yeah.
I think it's... No, I don't... Oh, dude, if you poke it, it makes little squares. Oh, it did just like that.
They're gonna be like, what is
How can it make squares for you? Ah! It makes squares.
It doesn't.
Oh,
Oh, it's like face square.
Okay, but we are the future generations of the world. Look, I look like George Washington almost. Isn't that cool?
Like
But-
a young the younger George.
Yeah, but it's Bethany that will be the future president, and me, I will be the future hobo.
No. I think my husband, Wade Christian.
Wade!
Yeah.
You hear that? You hear that?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I tried to stay off the apple juice for you.
Yeah.
I'm going to rehab.
I'm so
and
tagging him
everything.
in this video when I upload it in just 5 seconds.
I'm going to rehab. I'm trying, man.
And Chris Feltman, I'm tagging you in this too because you get to see how I am when I'm with my friends. I roll on the floor.
Yeah.
Okay, I am ending this video, or Bethany can end this video.